Hello and welcome to the 14-day plant-based intermittent fasting program. You're in for a treat. Intermittent fasting is another tool that I have incorporated in my lifestyle, and I have witnessed some great and outstanding results. Intermittent fasting has definitely changed my life, and I can't wait for it to change yours too. We hear about intermittent fasting all the time, but what exactly is intermittent fasting, also known as IF? Intermittent fasting is basically a time selected for eating and not eating. It's been known to provide huge benefits if done correctly. So when you stop eating for a certain period, insulin levels fall and signals the body to start burning stored energy because food is no longer coming through your system. It can normalize blood glucose levels. So the body must now pull glucose out of the storage in order to burn for energy. Insulin is a hormone made by the pancreas that allows the body to use sugar, which is glucose, from food for energy or to store glucose for future use. So basically, insulin is needed to control blood sugar levels. Most important thing that happens when you go approximately 13 or more hours without eating, your body enters into a detoxifying process called autophagy. The word autophagy is derived from the Greek word meaning auto, that stands for self, and phagy, meaning eating, self-eating, which is your body's normal way of the cellular renewal process. During the autophagy process, your body will start a cellular cleanup to get rid of unhealthy organelles, which are structures within the cell that are dysfunctional and can lead to the inability to lose weight, low energy levels, and chronic diseases. It also contributes to helping your body to burn fat efficiently. Therefore, fasting not only stimulates autophagy, it stimulates growth hormones, which tells your body to rebuild cells by replacing those damaged ones with stronger new cells. So as stated, autophagy works as a cellular housekeeper and performs functions to eliminate defective organelles. Now, one of those organelles is called the mitochondria. These organelles are best known as powerhouses that convert energy from food. So when we walk, eat, talk, exercise, and breathe, we are using that energy produced by the mitochondria. Nearly all cells have mitochondria. Mitochondria are very critical to self-survival. With so much use, they too can become dysfunctional and can inefficiently produce energy malfunctioning. Mitochondria can lead to a range of health conditions. So, the more you incorporate intermittent fasting, the more you are able to get rid of malfunctioning mitochondria, as well as other unhealthy organelles. Remember, intermittent fasting is basically a time selected for eating and not eating. There are several ways to incorporate intermittent fasting in your life, but the one that best fits will depend on you. So during intermittent fasting, you need to choose what time of day you will be eating and how long your window will last. So during this 14-day plant-based intermittent fasting program, I am recommending the 16-8 method. Using this method, you will fast for 16 hours and your window for eating will be 8 hours. For example, if your window to eat is from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., your first meal of the day will start at 10 a.m. and your last meal of the day should be at or before 6 p.m. The window is definitely flexible. Make it work for you and make it work for your schedule. You can, however, drink water and hot tea during the fast, but no eating before the window opens and no eating after the window closes. Last but certainly not least, remember, when done properly, intermittent fasting can maximize your body's ability to rest, recover, and thrive. This is Dr. Bradley. I'm looking forward to hearing from each of you. Take care.